Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are going to show you how we can turn off or on with firewall on Windows 11. Firewall is security features that protect your device by filtering network traffic which exits or enters your device. Sometimes you need to install an application or do something more, but firewall don't allow it. In this time we need to turn off firewall on Windows. So how we can to do this? Let's start. First click on start, search for setting and click on setting. Here in the left side select privacy and security. Now here click on Windows security. Now click on third option, firewall and network protection. Here we have three options: domain network, private network and public network. Just turn off these options and then your work. I want to click on domain network, these options, and turn off also private firewall, and also turn off public network. Okay, when your work is finished, after this just come on and click on restore setting. When you click on restore setting, your all firewall will be automatically turned on. Thank you for watching.